Hey everyone, welcome to Unaka Gear Co. I'm Brad. Today we're going to show you how to install the upper ladder extension for our new rear ladder system base kits. This right here. So the first step, we highly recommend that you do this install for the upper ladder portion on your frame or your base kit on the ground. And that's for a couple of reasons. It's a little bit easier to actually tighten the bolts from the back without it being up against the van. And then also, due to manufacturing tolerances, these parts are not made at the exact same time. So it's a good idea to go ahead and slide this into place. Make sure that the holes line up with the threaded inserts on the upper, because if you have to open up these holes a little bit, it's a good thing to see that down here and make it easier for you. So we're gonna go ahead and start now. So we'll grab the upper ladder extension, and it is as simple as removing the plugs from the top. And we're gonna slowly insert this in here. Now you may have to grab a mallet or something to kind of coax it into place. Just make sure if you do have to use a mallet that you protect your paint with a piece of foam or cloth or something. So we're going to go ahead and start pushing this in here. And I think I do need a mallet for this one, as it is a very tight fit. Okay. So now we're going to grab the screws and the washers. We'll go ahead and put this part on, and after we get screws and washers in here and put the base kit onto the frame of the van, we'll then show you guys how to put on the fold down steps. They're going to be pretty nice. Before we install the fold down steps onto the base kit, we're going to put the plastic stoppers on here. So we'll grab the plastic stopper, we'll line that up with the hole, and then we'll take our flathead screw and we will put this on here and get these tight. And you're going to repeat this step for all three of your fold down steps. So we'll get that tight. All right, so we're going to take this fold down step. I've already got one of my washers on the long bolt here. The simplest way that I have found, take this plastic washer and get it kind of lined up, and you'll just guide it into place and get that through the hole. And before you push the bolt all the way through, get that same black washer kind of lined up so that way it stays on. And then you'll take the last washer and your nut, and we're gonna just finger tight for now. We're gonna repeat that same process for all the steps, and then we'll tighten these up so that way there is resistance to keep them in place and keep it tight.